Eustacia vi. Elizabeth. Gentle Hermione. New blooms, buds from Abraham Darby. Sunbelt Soul Sister. And some older blooms here. Ebb Tide. This one's just stunning. I love this one. It's a really beautiful rose. Ebb Tide. Moonlight in Paris. And the best bloom is right here. Look at this beauty. I just adore this color. And the light that just passes through the leaves. I'm sure the phone doesn't capture it. It's beautiful. I know I have all new favorites, but this one is Silas Marner, and oh my goodness, look how beautiful. Look at these buds. And it's loaded. Angel Face is getting ready to bloom as well. Honeymoon, climbing rose. Sally Holmes. And these are just babies. I just planted all of them. So to see them bloom at all is pretty amazing to me. And I love the yellow salmon color of the buds. Polka. Roll out the barrel. To all you Polish people. And I guess something's been chomping away at this one. But look how beautiful it is. And of course my Peggy Martin Hurricane Katrina roses. I just love this cascade over here. I never did get to taking shears to these drift roses. So I suppose after this flush. But these I think are like a peach. And they do have black spot. But they are charming. More daylilies. I will pick this one off. Here, that's spent, and this one's getting ready to be spent as well. But more buds behind it. And here's a different variety.